but it's not always working. But, you know, you'll get there and I'll work for a while in a class and then I'll get bored, and so or something will catch my eye and I'll go back. And by the way, I do want to correct what somebody else said. Everybody does things differently, and that's understandable. I personally do read every word my students write. Every single thing they post, I read. I don't always respond to everything, but usually once a semester I'll have one, because I tell them point blank in my opening email that I do read every word.
Yeah, when I had discussion boards, I read every word too.
And I'll have
it took so long.
once or twice a semester I'll have somebody put a, you know, in the middle of their response, somewhere in the middle of it, do you really read all of these? And that's what they, yes, I surely do. And that just shuts it down.
That's the one that you respond to then.
But if there is a question, like a lot of times in my discussion boards, they have to respond once to my discussion question, and then I expect them to respond at least twice more to other people's answers. And usually that starts a flow of communication. And a lot of times they'll respond to somebody's answer and say, but you know what, I remember some research 2 years ago stating such and such. Right? Then that's why I come back in and I'll say, yeah, here's a link to that research, or you might want to look, here's the latest, da 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 da. And I may add something to it. But as far as going back and answering every single email, I've done that before. That gets every posting, that gets real old. So as a general rule, what I'll do is I will let everybody post. I read and I'm following along, and then after the deadline when everyone should have posted, then I'll go back in and make